Hi, this is Mrs. Cornitz, and today we're going to look at another way to find the percentage of a number. So far we've been using double number lines and we looked at tape diagrams to find out percentages. Today we're just going to use the percentage itself. And so percent is the amount per 100. It's a comparative ratio where it's per 100 instead of whatever the actual number is. Per 100, we can think of that 6% being 6 of 100. So that is a fraction, 6/100ths, which can also be a decimal, 0.06 100ths. 10% would be the same, let me fix this, as 10 of 100, which would be the same as 1/10. If you felt more comfortable putting the 0 on the end, you could, but it's really the same either way, 10/100ths or 1/10. And so we're going to use that to find out some percents over here. 6% can be written as 6/100ths. 10% can be written as 10/100ths. So a problem we're going to work with here says a school held several evening activities last month: a music concert, a basketball game, a drama play, and literacy night. The music concert was attended by 250 people. How many people came to each of the other activities? Attendance at a basketball game was 30% of attendance at the concert. Attendance at the drama play was 140% of the attendance at the concert. Attendance at the literacy night was 44% of the attendance at the concert. Okay, so our 100% is the attendance at the concert, the 250 people. And these percents are relative to that. So 30% of they get 30% as many people as the concert. So to figure out how many people were at the basketball game, we can do 30% of 250, which is equivalent to 0.3 times 250. So 3 times 25 would be 75. So 0.3 times 250. If it was 3 times 250, it would be 750. But since I have my decimal point here, that bumps the decimal point over, so 75. There were 75 people at the basketball game. So I took that 30%. Instead of writing it as 30 with the percent sign, I wrote it as 3/10ths, which is the same as 31/100ths. And I multiplied that times the number of people. So the next part says attendance at the drama play is 140% of the attendance at the concert. So 140% of 250 equals 1.4 times 250. So 1 times 250 is 250. 4 times 25, that would be 100, so that's 10. Let's see. Let me get my calculator just to make sure. 1.4 times 250 should be, 350. 350 people play. All right. And then our last one says 40. The literacy night had 44% of the attendance. So 44% of 250 is the same thing as 0.44 times 250. So 4 times 250 would be 100. So it would be 110. Yep. So when we're finding percentages of things, we can use the double number line to help us to make sense of things, but we can also just turn our percent into a decimal and multiply it. 30%, 3/10 or 31/100 if you wanted to, times that 100, whatever your 100% is. 140, 1.4 times 250, 44%, 44/100 times 250. So go ahead and give that a try. If when you're done working on the problems in class this still feels confusing to you, please come visit me during office hours. I'm there from 12:30 to 1 and 2 to 3, and my job really is to support you when you're learning. So if you're feeling confused, come and visit me and get yourself feeling more comfortable with this.